Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 9th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold did make a pretty significant bounce from the Fibonacci level. If you saw my video last night, you know that I was saying that this possibly is the end of a wave B, and this is the wave A, and we're actually going down in a wave C, which I still think that is the more likely scenario. I mean, if you look at the higher time frames, it would make way more sense for this thing to go down and make a more proper wave 4 for the wave 3. So you'd have like a wave 3 and a wave 4, then eventually back up for the wave 5. Now, we can't rule out the possibility of this just going up. I mean, we are in an extremely strong uptrend on the daily, weekly, and monthly, so we definitely cannot rule out that possibility that it continues the uptrend. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, it is trying to break structure. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. I personally think that it's a better chance that this move up right here is just going to be a pullback within a downtrend, and it's likely to keep on going down. But if it becomes impulsive, like if it starts making really impulsive moves to the upside, then we're probably going to have to come to the conclusion that yes, it definitely can end up continuing the uptrend. But I think more than likely this is going to end up being a correction, maybe end up doing something like what happened here, and then it's going to end up continuing down based on the higher time frame fact that this top right here looks like it should be a complete wave B, and it looks like we should be going down now for a wave C, potentially an ABC of wave 4. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.